a quick and effective way to relieve itchy mosquito bites. This trick will make the bite mark disappear and bring relief. Mosquito bites come with many inconveniences. Blisters appear on the skin, accompanied by itching. Here's what to do to keep the bites from bothering you. You will need 2 ingredients in a jar. The first is cotton wool. The second, slightly more important, is mouthwash. It's crucial that it contains menthol and eucalyptus, as these have soothing and aromatic properties. Now, take the jar and put the cotton wool in it. However, you need to prepare it properly first. From a large piece of cotton wool, form several or even a dozen small balls. Put these balls into the jar. Take the mouthwash and pour it into the jar with the cotton wool, ensuring that each ball is soaked in the liquid. Leave them in the liquid for a few hours. After this time, apply one of the soaked cotton balls to the bite mark. This will help soothe the pain caused by the venom and make the bite marks disappear faster. Additionally, the presence of eucalyptus in the mouthwash acts as a repellent. These will be perfect for your vacation.